Beating a dead horse, understanding idioms in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a peculiar but widely used English idiom, beating a dead horse. It might sound strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it effectively in conversation. So, let's unravel this idiom together. The phrase, beating a dead horse, describes a situation where someone is wasting time and effort trying to do something that is already decided or is hopeless. Imagine trying to get a horse to move by beating it, but the horse is already dead. It's not just cruel, it's pointless because the horse won't get up and run. In real life, it's used when someone continues to talk about a topic, argue a point, or try to change something that cannot be changed. The exact origin of beating a dead horse is not clear, but it's believed to have been used first in the mid-19th century. It's thought that the idiom might have originated from horse racing or farming communities, where the vitality of a horse was crucial. The phrase paints a graphic image, which might be why it's so memorable and has stood the test of time. Now, let's see how you can incorporate this idiom into your everyday conversation. 1. In arguments. Arguing with him about this issue is like beating a dead horse. He's not going to change his mind. 2. In business. The project was cancelled last week, so discussing it further is just beating a dead horse. 3. In personal reflection. I know I made a mistake, but constantly thinking about it is like beating a dead horse. Remember, it's often used to suggest that it's time to move on from a topic or to stop wasting time on unproductive efforts. And that, dear viewers, is all about the idiom, beating a dead horse. It's a vivid expression reminding us that sometimes, it's best to accept what cannot be changed and focus our energy elsewhere. I hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom more confidently in your English conversations. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.